Welcome this video. Outdoor kitchen idea of a smart backyard. An outdoor kitchen is a perfect way to enhance your backyard, make it a hub for entertainment, cook and relax, even with limited space. You can design an effect and style outdoor kitchen that fit your need. This gas will help you create a functional outdoor kitchen for a smart backyard cover design type must have functional and cost effect solved plants your smart backyard outdoor kitchen before divide into construction careful plan and choosing. Here are a few attractive to consider. Access your space, your available space, and determine the best location for the kitchen. Consider traffic flow and obsession interest away or part away. Think about side and versatile to consider cook enthusiasts. Define your need and budget application and functional such as a gallery sleep and country space. Choose the layout. Some of the best outdoor layout of smart backyard lessons layout, a single alarm setup that save space while provide cook area. L-shaped layout, often more constrained space and story without take up much room. U-shaped layout, work well in course and maximize effect. Use movable chair and followable table for fix. Key functional of a smart outdoor kitchen. Compact and effect application. Scan space is limited choice. Compact or multifunctional appear. A smart gas or chair gallery with sideboard. A built-in scale for covering. A story convenient to keep or supplement original. Smart safe, country top and space. Use folder or pull out country top to maximize pro space. Install various space to